What a beautiful morning. Headed to the race shop. Did a tune-up on my truck yesterday. I feel like it's gonna be a good day. I always tell people, Lacey builds the Nerf bars and does all the cool stuff. And they're like, bullshit. Video, proof, right here. Just walked in on her. This wasn't even staged. I just got here. Look, you can tell because I got my beanie on and my vest. She'll be coming around the corner when she comes. I have this pretty sweet like pillar off of mine that you can adjust. It makes it nice, but that's not bad. Mine doesn't have the holes, so. No.
This one I probably got 3 days, 4 days.
That looks complicated, all that.
Not too bad once you get it together.
Bunch of parts.
Yeah, that's it. It's a puzzle.
Oh, is this the famous rear bumper?
No, I haven't gotten to that one yet.
Not yet.
Everybody loving bumpers, I don't know why.
It's because we did our own. Because they're different. Oh yeah, this is a Nerf bar. Yep, you definitely put those too close.
Yeah. But it bends in the right spot, so just gotta do kind of janky.
I don't know how. That's what I'm confused on.
But like, you can see where I marked it. It starts right there. I flip a lot of them to get it to work.
Well,
right.
you that's the key. Practice makes perfect. While I'm at the shop, Envirofab has all the cool tools. So I am working on making a little mini bike jig here so that I could build a couple more mini bikes with ease. Oh yeah, here's the start. Okay, off to the water jet. I drew up these parts on my tablet, and Joe just put them on the computer, and we are about to laser cut some parts for the mini bike jig. These are to hold the rear axle. So this is it. I'm gonna clamp the neck up here, and the back will be adjustable. And you know what? I have a picture. Here we go. So this is my latest build. Working on it. I actually cut it apart and redid it, but it's sweet.
Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Chili bowl car opening. Here you go. Oh, here, let me It's been a while. As she stabs the visor.
Hey, I didn't do that.
You're doing a great job, Lacey. Today's video brought to you by Lacey and Envirofab. I am turning into quite the cameraman. Do you notice how steady I hold the camera? Oh, it's so pretty. This is the old design. Looks like it might get some new decals. Or do we go with old school?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't know, I think it needs the yellow.
Yeah. This is my favorite car. You don't have to change anything. In the beginning, there was this car. And somehow it lasted like a year, didn't it?
That's 2000 first car.
Yeah.
Bought, really.
And then we just decided to cut it all apart and make it super light and awesome.
The first car we won was 2018.
Yeah, DeCoin, right?
Yeah.
Chili bowl car, magnesium, these little shock cables, super lightweight. Mounted these on there, so just what else? Carbon everything. You can see my awesome super lightweight seat. Magnesium these. We got these little half bars in there. That's where a lot of the weight's gone. This little fuel tank. Scary titanium ladder that I'll bend. You have to be very careful in the chili bowl cars. But they are also so fast. So then you
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, well, actually, I can ride a wheelie and turn and come back and turn.
I can't do very good on that. I'm a lot better on this.
They're a lot heavier.
Yeah.
This bike's a lot heavier.